Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Instagram live story there was an error with your broadcast problem solved. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click Instagram, click force stop, click storage use, click clear data, then click OK, then click data use details, then turn on background data, then click manage notification, then allow permission, click permission, then allow all permission, click Wi-Fi, then turn off Wi-Fi, then again turn on Wi-Fi, then open Google Play Store, search Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Then restart your phone. Thanks for watching.